been locked out of your Twilio account unexpectedly. Don't panic, this video will guide you through getting your services back online. The first and most crucial step is to understand why your account was suspended. Twilio typically sends an email notification explaining the reason. Look for that email in your inbox, including your spam folder. Common reasons include policy violations, suspicious activity, or outstanding payments. Once you've identified the reason, head to the Twilio support section of their website. You can often find answers and self-help resources by searching for keywords related to your suspension reason, like usage policy or payment issue. If the self-help resources aren't enough, you'll need to open a support ticket. Navigate to the Contact Us or Support page on Twilio. Fill out the form completely and accurately. Be sure to include your account SID, which can be found on your Twilio console dashboard, and provide a detailed description of the issue and the steps you've taken. Twilio support will review your case and work with you to resolve the issue. This might involve updating your payment information, providing documentation to prove legitimate traffic, or making changes to your application's usage. Be patient, as this process can take some time. Once Twilio confirms the issue is resolved, your account will be unsuspended. You should regain full access to your services immediately, allowing you to resume uninterrupted communication. Campaigns, proactive monitoring, and adherence to Twilio's policies will help prevent future suspensions.